one. Immediately, Techno Turtles pushed off some of those reds. Meanwhile, Low Expectations grabbing some of the cubes. All reds have been pushed off the post, giving the Alliance a 15-point bonus. So it looks like Low Expectations is lining up to get ready to score. As they lift the window, we take 5 seconds when we now switch drivers. Low Expectations, big 2. 25 seconds, you must switch. 3 cubes in the back hole. Meanwhile, Techno Turtles pushing some things up their lip to try to get us into the goal. We get down to the last 10 seconds of the match. We're going to see if any of these teams can successfully pull off the park. And both teams managed to get a partial mark.
Except right.
Qualification match number 80, we have 40301E, Daredevil Chickens, and 16.